What if you could instantly tell which companies are spending money on Google Ads without clicking through every website manually? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do that at scale using the Google Ads Transparency Center and PhantomBuster. If you are working in lead generation, partnerships, or sales, this is a game changer. Ad spend is one of the strongest buying signals, and with just a spreadsheet of websites, you can quickly spot which ones are actively advertising. I will walk you through how to plug in a list of domains, automatically check each one for active ads, and generate a clean list of high-intent ad-running prospects. Let's get into it. Before automating this process, you need to know how to search if a website is running Google Ads. For this, you will go on the Google Ads Transparency Center and you will search for this website in the country of your choice. Here, I'm searching in the US and I will type the domain of PhantomBuster.com. And if PhantomBuster is running Google Ads in the US, there might be some ads displayed. So as you can see, we got a list of ads. So it confirms that PhantomBuster is running Google Ads in the US. Now I will search for another website such as captaindata.com. And you can see that I cannot search anything. And I have this sentence, not finding an advertiser that you're looking for, that they might not advertise with Google. So it means that captaindata.com is not advertising. So now you know how to use the Google Ads Transparency Center to check if a website, a company is running Google Ads or not. What we want to do now is to scale this approach and to check automatically if a list of websites are running Google Ads or not. So for this, you will need to go on each of the search pages of these websites on the Google Ads Transparency Center and check if, for example, specific CSS selector or an element of the page is displaying or not. So I will run again the PhantomBuster.com search. And here, as we saw, we have a list of ads. So what I will do is that I will right click on the ads and inspect and check for a specific CSS selector. So you can see here, for example, when we have a result of an ad, we have these elements with the class advertiser name, but we will have it on multiple ads and I just would like to check it once. So maybe I will rather take this one, the priority creative grid. So now I will launch another search with captaindata.com to check if I still have this element displaying. Okay, I will inspect again and then search for my priority creative grids. And when I enter, I don't have any results. So it means that this specific selector is not displaying when you don't have any results on your search. So when the company is not running any Google Ads. So now we will try to go through multiple websites and to check if they are running Google Ads or not. For this, we will use the web element extractor Phantom. And we will provide as an input a spreadsheet with the different websites we want to check. So I created a spreadsheet with the list of the websites I want to check. You can see here on the column B all the different domains I want to check. And on the column A, I concatenated the search of the Google Ads Transparency Center and the domain. So if I click on this one, you will see that I will have the search of PhantomBuster.com on the Google Ads Transparency Center. For example, if I'm searching another website, I will just take the list down. And here you will see that I have my new search. So let's go back on PhantomBuster and try to use this web element extractor. So I will just launch the extraction on one URL. So I will remove all this. And then as a link, I will copy the link of my spreadsheet and paste it here. Then on the selectors, remember that I was searching already which selector to search. So we'll go back here, and it's the priority creative grids that I will paste here. And then on the label, you can write something like is advertising, but it's not the most important. It's just the label that you will get if the website you are searching is advertising or not. Then time to wait selector, you can leave like this, and the page to scrape per launch, I will just increase it to 100, even though I have less than 100 websites here. But if I say that I want to scrape only 2 pages, then I will be limited on this automation. So I will save and then launch it once, save and launch the automation. Okay, so my Phantom finished running and we got 8 results found. So it means that 8 out of the 11 websites I was searching are running Google Ads in the US. So if I go down the page, I can see that PhantomBuster is running Google Ads. We saw it before. The second website we were searching, lagrossmachine.com, is not. You can see here you have an error because it didn't find the selector. So it's the same for this one, bettercontact.rocks. And then if you go down, Zapier is running some ads, then make.com as well, and so on. So here you have your list of websites and you know if they are running Google Ads or not. So that's it. With just one spreadsheet and a PhantomBuster automation, you now have a powerful way to spot ad active businesses at scale without spending hours clicking through websites manually. This method is fast, targeted, and super flexible. Whether you are qualifying leads, spotting warm accounts, or just building smart lists. I hope you like this use case and see you next time. Thank you for listening.